What's up, guys? A few days ago I bought a Seagate HDD, but it turned out that that particular hard disk didn't have the required BIOS settings for installing Windows. Therefore, that hard disk could only be used as a secondary hard disk in a laptop or a desktop with another primary hard disk or SSD. Therefore, for almost the same amount of money, I got this Seagate SSD with 480 gigabytes instead of 1 terabyte, but with higher performance, and also higher performance that will not really show out in an older laptop like the Dell Inspiron that I will use it. If you didn't saw the previous video where I installed the HDD in the Dell laptop, I will let you a link to that video in the description. In this video we are going to make the unboxing of this SSD, and of course I'm going to benchmark it to see what is the real performance of this Kingston SSD. So let's start with the beginning. Let's do the unboxing of this solid state drive. Okay, it says that it's 10 times faster than 7200 RPM HDD, so I don't know, it should be a lot faster than the HDD that was from the BarraCuda. Of course, the speed comes at a price, and the price is half of the memory of the BarraCuda HDD. The packaging is similar to the ones from the USB flash drives, but this is a TLC memory with a reading speed of 500 megabytes per second and a writing speed of 450 megabytes per second. So let's see how that will actually behave in the benchmark. Regarding the package also, I have to mention that it's quite a hard to open package, because it took me a little bit of time till I got that out. But the feeling of the SSD, it's really nice and it's very slim. Okay, so at the touching it feels really premium. Let's see how it behaves. For the benchmark, I used the user benchmark and we got a score of 82.2. That means this is quite a good SSD, but the transfer speeds were lower than the ones that were mentioned in the characteristics of this SSD. Namely, in case of the reading speed, we had a result of 359 megabytes per second instead of 500, and in case of the writing speed, we obtained 284 megabytes per second instead of 450, which is quite a high difference. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and see you on the next video. Bye!